Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. In this video, I'm going to show you how you get leads, at least 5 to 10 leads per day. All right. So this is for the month of December, and here's all the leads I've been getting so far, just for the month of December. And I'm going to show you how I did that right now. And then we're going to go to the first one. It's called Leadsleep. It's a traffic exchange and a website builder as well too, and you can send emails as well and an email blast. I'm going to go over all that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is click on the advertising, and if you're not able to upgrade to pro, you could always join as a free member and just click on post credit ads. Okay, and then you're going to enter add a new ad, and then you're going to enter your URL. Okay, and then you're going to enter a catchy title, and then ad text, and then your image. Okay, now what you have to do with this, you have to serve 10 ads per day in order for you to get your ads seen. Okay, now the pro member, all you have to do is click on post pro ads. Okay, and then you're going to enter in your URL. Okay, and then you're going to enter in a catchy title, your ad text, your image, and it's just set it and forget it, and then you'll be able to get your ads seen by pretty much everyone without doing anything. Okay, and here are my ads here. These are my different ads I'm getting leads and signups to. Okay, and then the next one we're going to go to is LeadSkimmer. Okay, this is a reverse one-up lead generator. So all you have to do is generate one lead line, and then you'll be able to generate leads from your downline. Okay, so all you have to do is just generate a couple leads and get your leads to do the same. And then they do also have a compensation plan as well. Okay, and then you could purchase a traffic package. Okay, and they do have some scripts as well too you could follow. And then you have the compensation plan. I'm not going to go over it in this video. I'm going to post it in my link in the description. Okay, and then you have the promo materials as well too, and you get the scripts from there, and you can get your, like I said, your affiliate links here. And then we're going to go on to Herculist now, and I do recommend upgrading to a lifetime gold member with this. And then there's different options you can go about. And like I said, if you're just starting out brand new, you can go to add mailer. You're going to go ahead and click on that, and then bypass that. You're going to go to down here to regular mailer. Okay, you're going to put in the subject line here. Okay, and then you're going to go into the body, and then you're going to put in whatever your text is, or whatever your script is, whatever email swipe you have. Okay, and you could email over 196,000 people per day with this. And then, so we're going to go to another option. This is just if you have a little bit more money, but it's still very cheap compared to solo ads on Udemy. So we're going to go to solo ad specials. I'm going to go ahead and click here. Okay. And then, so we're going to, it says 15 smart list submissions, over 13,000 members. These are buyer leads. People known to purchase, have purchased before. Okay. So it even says it down here. And then I just mix and match. I do free, paid. So I do this for only $20. Purchase now. Okay, or buy now. And then I go down here also to Herculist login ads, generate guaranteed traffic. Okay, and then I click on this as well too. and then I just generate my traffic. I did get a sign up from this in my my travel business, which I did point out in my last video. But if you are interested in generating free leads and getting started for free today, go ahead and click on the link below. And thank you once again. Happy holidays, and thank you for watching. Bye.